Hi everyone, welcome on board. So today we are going to be talking about how to go ahead and apply for XAT. So people who are not aware about XAT exam, it's an amazing exam which is conducted by XLRI, which is the number one college when it comes to HR. They have some amazing programs of BM as well, which is called as business management, which is your regular MBA where you have the specialization options of marketing, finance, operations, product management, and they have their flagship program of HR as well. Okay. Now for XLRI, it is there, but there are a lot of other colleges also which accept XAT. Like for example, all MICA enthusiasts, you have to give along with MICAT either a CAT or a XAT. Along with that, you have some more colleges also which accept your XAT scores. So definitely give it an attempt. It's going to be in Jan. It's always on the first Sunday in Jan. So let's have a run through first the important dates. So the application form has started from 6th of August. It's available till 30th of November. All right. And your admit cards will be coming on 20th December. Exam is on 2nd of January. All right. So this is with respect to your XAT scores and how to go ahead and apply. Let's have a run through the step-by-step process. Please make sure that you watch this carefully because a lot of students, despite telling you all to be cautious, even in your CAT forms and NMAT forms, have done mistakes in your own name or your mark sheets. Guys, that's going to go ahead onto your college form as well. So please make sure you do not make such mistakes. Okay. So firstly, you will go to the website, which is zatonline.in. You'll see the details about the admission dates and the important scores which are mentioned, important dates. Okay. Once you go here, then you will go ahead and click on the Xavier's aptitude test. Okay. So you have the option XAT scorecard, register, and login. You have to go on register because the first time when you're logging in, you are going to register yourself. Okay. So when you click on register, the next thing is this small pop-up window comes up for you where you have to fill in your details. Make sure you enter your name, email address, phone number accurately. Select the password and make sure that the phone number and email address is the same one which you're using for all the other exam applications, and you are going to use that because that's going to be sending your verification numbers, your verification email and verification phone number also is going to be used in all the college applications. Okay, so once you enter it, then you click on register and proceed ahead. Once you have registered, you can always come back to your form in between somewhere save karke by going to the login option. Okay? This is how your verification email comes to you. You will be given a very small email with a verification link. So just click on the link so that your verification process is completed. Okay, this comes on your email. Next, just go to back to home and then we come back to our verify email option. This is done verification, and after the verification is done, just click on verify email. Okay, after your verification is done, we go back to our XAT online website and now we are going to submit our profile. So you enter your name, email address already, that's going to be there, an alternate mobile number, state, city, save, and then you continue and proceed ahead. Then you go to my profile. Now we're going to fill in my profile section where all your details have to be entered. Okay. So here you have to then go ahead to the XAT application form and click on continue option. Once we go on continue, then your entire detailed application form will come where you have 4 sections: personal details, parents details, address details, academic details. Okay. So we will enter your details, but make sure you read the instructions well. Again, the instructions talk about ensuring your login ID, password, email address, contact number is accurate. Okay, here we enter your personal information. This is very basic information, you cannot go wrong here. After you're done with filling this up, click on next option, move to the parents details. So you enter your parents information up here, click on next, and then you move to the next section, which is your address details. Anytime if you're dropping out in the form, just click on save and exit so that you can come back and refer to it. Okay, after we are done with the address details comes your academic details. Very important, please ensure you enter correct marks as per your mark sheet as per your mark sheet. So take a scan copy or your original mark sheet and sit whenever you fill an application form. So you will enter your 10th state, city, institute, board, year of passing, maximum marks obtained, or the CGPA. So a lot of people get CGPA, you enter CGPA. If you get marks, you put marks. Whatever it is in the marking scheme, you have to choose that option. That select drop down will show you that. ठीक है, so वो कर देना. उसके बाद after 10th, what did you have? So a lot of people have the option of diploma after 10th standard. So you can select 12th लिया था कि diploma लिया था, select करो and then go to next. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंगली आपका वो सेक्शन ओपन अप हो जाएगा 12th का या डिप्लोमा का. अगेन मार्क्स टू बी एंटर्ड एंड CGPA to be entered. After that, click on next and we move into our graduation details. So we enter our graduation qualifications. Sometimes people have done double degrees, like for example a CA or an LLB, which is BCom plus LLB. So make sure you select your graduation degree, 1, 2, all of them, and update all of their details. Okay, after you're done updating your graduation details, go to the next option. Last, it talks about, do you have a postgraduate degree? Do you have work experience? Based on what you have, you enter it. Mind it, internships are not counted as work experience. Anything done after graduation is only counted as work experience. ठीक है? Once you submit that, it will ask you to enter the marks with respect to it. And then you move to the last page where you select now your programs. So you want to apply to Acceleri? The answer should be yes. So mention that up here. Then your city preferences. Okay, after you go ahead with city preference, then you have to go ahead and upload your documents, which is your passport size photograph, your recent signature, and an identity proof. Once you upload that, go to next, and then you go to the declaration. Enter your declaration, and then please make sure you click on preview. Just review your form once before submitting it up. Okay, after you're done with preview, then you go to continue and make sure you are seeing everything is correct. And then finally you go to your make payment option. The application fees is 2,100. Just make your payment, and once you're done with the payment, make sure you save the final receipt of completion of the form. All right, so all the best, guys. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that we help you in all the college form applications as well. Bye bye, take care.